forms. Now, across all of these communication forms, there are four important things from a data perspective. Like when if I become like a little bit non, I make it a bit more technical. So, what audience need to see what amount of data, that is like a really critical aspect of it, right? So, a CEO does not want to look at a store level thing or a SKU level thing, right? SKU is basically in retail. Every single item that you purchase is like a unique SKU. Every unique, like the lowest level of uh, item identifier in retail setup is called an SKU. So, lowest level of item could be like Pantene shampoo sachet versus Pantene shampoo bottle. These are two different SKUs from the same brand. Although it's the same shampoo, but they come in different formats, right? So they're different SKUs. Yes. So now, let's say you're talking to the CEO of the company. You do not want that CEO to get details at the SKU level. The CEO probably only wants to know things at a city level or a store level or a state level. But whereas if you're talking about, let's say, uh, that particular brand manager, he will need to know the information at an SKU level, right? He would want to know things at an SKU level because he manages Pantene. He would want to know all the 6 SKUs that they have in Pantene. How are they doing? Yes or no? Uh, so yeah, that's right audience. The right amount of data is what you need to share with them, and then in terms of planning, also, right, you need to have like a very concrete plan in terms of how you're exactly going to deliver data driven stories to these stakeholders, and how exactly are you going to tackle them with your data expertise. Because I have seen this happening in many cases with me, that when I speak to a client, right, uh, it becomes very difficult for a lot of clients to understand data and a lot of jargons, and when a lot of information is out there, right? And then at times it can happen that your own information, what you're giving to the client, may go against you. So that also you need to take into account. And I think uh, insights from the data, call to action, all of that is pretty standard stuff. I think you have understood most of it.